Have you just arrived at Málaga Airport and you're not sure how to get to Málaga city center or to another destination along the Costa del Sol? The Cercanías train is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to travel from the airport. Taxis are considerably more expensive, and services such as Uber or Bolt will also usually cost more than the train. You'll find the Cercanías station just outside Terminal 3. If you want to avoid queues at the ticket machines, you can buy your ticket using the Renfe Cercanías app. We've included a download link in the description, along with a link to our page containing all the essential information about transport in Málaga. Once you've downloaded the app, buying your ticket is very simple. Open the app and go to the Tickets section. Select the option to buy a new ticket and choose Málaga Aeropuerto as your departure station. Next, select your destination. For example, if you're traveling to Málaga city center, choose Málaga Centro-Alameda. Select the appropriate ticket, continue to the payment section, add your bank card, and complete the purchase. Your ticket will then be saved in the app. When you reach the ticket gates, open the ticket and scan its QR code at the reader. But if you don't even want to download the app or buy a ticket in advance, there is an even easier option. You can use Renfe's Kronos contactless payment system. Simply go to a ticket gate displaying the contactless payment symbol and tap your contactless bank card, mobile phone, or smartwatch on the reader. There is no need to select your destination beforehand. Kronos records the station where you begin your journey. When you arrive at your destination, tap the exact same card or device again at the exit gate. The correct fare will be calculated automatically according to the number of zones you have traveled through. Make sure you use exactly the same payment method when entering and leaving. If you enter using your phone or smartwatch, you must use that same device at the exit. Do not switch to the physical bank card linked to it, as the system may recognize it as a different payment method. If a ticket inspector checks your journey, simply present the same card, phone, or smartwatch you used at the entrance. The inspector can confirm your validation using their handheld device. So, you have two easy ways to avoid the queues. Buy your ticket through the Renfe Cercanías app and scan its QR code, or use Kronos and tap your card or mobile device when entering and leaving. You'll find all the relevant links and further information in the description. Enjoy your journey and welcome to the Costa del Sol.